Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy SperaxOS token on Binance Alpha. As you know, SperaxOS just get listed on Binance, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. So first you can go to your you can open your Binance app, and then don't forget to sign in. After that you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search SPA for SperaxOS. You will find SPA on Alpha, but if you can find it, you can click search it and you will find it. Anyway, you can scroll down and you will see SPA on Alpha. You can click it, and then this is the charts. It's just get this. So yeah, this is the chart. If you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top and you will see 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Also, you can check their social media like X account or Telegram. And then yeah, if you want to buy it, you can just click trade here in the bottom. You can choose instant buy here. You can choose USDT or other token, and then swap it to yes, to SPA, or you can just choose limit order. You can put the price here like this, and then you can choose the amount and you can just click buy SPA. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.